potholes and falling rock, rushing water and debris, including trees and trucks, can damage or destroy culverts, bridges, roads, and buildings. Flash flooding and debris flow paths are unpredictable and can affect locations that are miles away from a burned area. More information from the USGS on debris, flows, and their impacts can be found at http://landslides.usgs.gov/research/wildfire, all lowercase letters. This includes the following locations: Wenatchee, Leavenworth, Kashmir, Andiat, Chelan, Manson, Plain, Waterville, Douglas, Mazama, Winthrop, Methow, Twist, Conganelli. Repeating, a flash flood watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: in Washington, Chelan, Douglas, and Okanagan. Issued at 3:27 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for extreme north-central Chelan County and north-central Washington, west-central Okanagan County and north-central Washington, Highway 20 from milepost 166 to 155. Until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar. Issued at 3:27 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for extreme north-central Chelan County and north-central Washington, west-central Okanagan County and north-central Washington, Highway 20 from milepost 166 to 155. Until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated possible flash flooding or mudslides from a thunderstorm over the warned area. This includes the following streams and drainages: McAllister Creek, State Creek, Cutthroat Creek, Early Winters Creek, North Creek, North Fork Twist River, Cedar Creek, Willow Creek, Bridge Creek, East Fork McAllister Creek, Twist River, and South Fork Twist River. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to travel across flooded roads. Find alternate routes. It takes only a few inches of swiftly flowing water to carry vehicles away. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: in Washington, Chelan, and Okanagan.